Hello again. You know already how to form the past tense of verbs. Let's learn how to say in Estonian that you didn't do something. I did not look. I did not speak. I did not read. As you can see, the not form is formed on the basis of the da infinitive to which nüüd is added. The negative particle ei, not, is added in front of the verb. Ma ei vaadanud. I did not look. Sa ei vaadanud. You did not look. Ta ei vaadanud. He, she did not look. Me ei vaadanud. We did not look. Te ei vaadanud. You did not look. Nad ei vaadanud. They did not look. Please pay attention to the following exception. The da form of minema, to go, is minna. However, we say ei läinud, did not go. Ma ei läinud, I did not go. Sa ei läinud, you did not go. Ta ei läinud, he or she did not go. Me ei läinud, we did not go. Te ei läinud, you did not go. Nad ei läinud, they did not go. That's all for today. Bye.